I'm reviewing the 26-foot Kerf weather stripping door seal strip. If at any time you'd like to take a closer look or grab it at a great deal, be sure to check out the links down below. You know that feeling when a cold draft sneaks under your door in the middle of winter, or when rain manages to find its way inside during a storm? That used to happen all the time in my home until I came across the Kerf weather stripping door seal strip. Now, I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting a weather strip to make such a noticeable difference, but this one genuinely surprised me. It's made with high density PU foam, has a tear resistant PE film, and a solid PVC flange that slides easily into the kerf slot of your door frame. I had it installed on my front and patio doors, and within minutes, literally less than 5 minutes per door, I could feel the difference. The draft? Gone. The noise? Significantly reduced. And best of all, it blends right in and looks like it was always part of the door. What I really love about this one is the V-shaped foam design. It compresses just right when the door closes, then bounces back instantly. No sagging, no gaps, and no mess since there's no adhesive needed. It's 26 feet long, so I had more than enough to do multiple doors around the house and even use some extra for a screen door that never quite sealed right. It works on a wide range of doors too. Wooden, glass, sliding, even cabinets and wardrobes with slots. Super versatile and a total game changer if you're tired of cold air, bugs, or dust sneaking in. Now, one thing to keep in mind, it's specifically designed for doors with a kerf slot between 1/4 to 9/16 inches. So just double check your measurements before ordering to make sure it fits your door frame. Overall, the Kerf weather stripping has made my home quieter, cozier, and more energy efficient. And it looks great too. If you're tired of battling drafts or just want a cleaner seal on your doors, I highly recommend giving this a shot. And if you want to grab it at a great price, make sure to check out the links down in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.